Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try On. Today we are unboxing the Aloe Yoga Warrior Mat in the color Highlighter. This mat came wrapped in a few layers of whatever this paper is, parchment paper, a little waxy protective paper. Once we tear all of that stuff off, we can see that Aloe calls this mat the Magic Mat. It features a luxurious no-slip mat top that stays matte even when it's wet. Aloe claims this is due to its dry-wicking surface, which draws moisture away from the surface. The underside of the mat is a natural rubber, which Aloe says provides the perfect amount of cushioning. Last but certainly not least, this mat is claimed to be antimicrobial, which is just great for hygienic purposes. They also claim that the mat bottom is of a biodegradable fur and that the top is 100% soft touch polyurethane. Its dimensions are 188 centimeters by 66 centimeters, and it is designed and yogi tested in Los Angeles. This yoga mat will cost you a pretty penny at $128, but hopefully it's one that will last you a lifetime. I have since tried this mat out a few times and can attest that it is tacky enough that you won't slip, and it feels pretty durable. One thing I will note is that it is quite heavy, so I will be leaving this one at home and finding another travel mat. Have you tried this mat? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe for more.